Hi guys, welcome back to Global English with Tadala. Today I'm going to teach you about the schwa sound a. በዛሬ ቪዲዮ ትምህርት ስለ schwa sound a እንማራለን። What is the schwa sound a? It is the weakest, softest and most common vowel sound in English. በእንግሊዘኛ በጣም ሶፍት ተደርጎ የሚነበብ የእንግሊዘኛ ሆሄ ነው። a schwa sound. It sounds like a short like sound a. a የሚል የቫውል ሳውንድ አለው ማለት ነው። ይህ schwa sound a. Okay. For example, about as in about. Here the vowel sound a becomes the schwa sound a. እዚህ ላይ a የሚለው vowel sound እንደ a schwa sound ይነበባል ማለት ነው። The vowel sounds in English a, e, I, o, n, u can have the schwa sound a. በእንግሊዘኛ የቫውል ሳውንድ ድምጾች የschwa sound a ሊኖራቸው ይችላል። So the schwa sound a can appear at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word and at the end of a word. ስለዚህ የschwa sound a በቃሉ መጀመሪያ ላይ በቃሉ መካከልና በቃሉ መጨረሻ ላይ ሊፈጠር ይችላል። Okay, when the schwa sound a appears at the beginning of a word, የschwa sound a ከቃሉ መጀመሪያ ላይ ሲመጣ, for example, about as in about, around as in round, ago as in ago, agree as in agree, again as in again. Here the vowel sound a becomes the schwa sound a. እዚህ ላይ የቫውል ሳውንድ a ወደ a ድምጽ ተቀይሯል ማለት ነው። about, around, agree, ago, again. ስለዚህ ምንድነው a የሚል ድምጽ ስላለው የschwa sound a ይባላል ማለት ነው። Okay, number 2, when the schwa sound a appears in the middle of a word. የschwa sound a በቃሉ መካከል ሲመጣ. For example, support as in support. Family, banana, teacher, problem, today, tomorrow, tonight. Here the all vowel sounds become a schwa sound. እዚህ ላይ ያሉት የቫውል ሳውንዶች a የሚል የschwa sound ድምጽ ፈጥረዋል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ፣ ይህ ምንድነው የschwa sound a በቃሉ መካከል ላይ ሲመጣ ማለት ነው። support, family, banana, doctor, teacher, today, tomorrow, tonight. Okay, now let us go back to number 3. When the schwa sound appear at the end of a word. ሶስተኛ ላይ የschwa sound a በቃሉ መጨረሻ ላይ ሲመጣ. sofa as in sofa, camera as in camera, doctor as in doctor. Okay, this all when the schwa sound a appears at the end of a word. ይህ በቃሉ መጨረሻ ላይ ሲመጣ የschwa sound a ማለት ነው። That's what we discussed about the schwa sound a when it appears at the beginning of a word. Again, around, ago, agree, again. And when the schwa sound appears in the middle of a word, family, banana, teacher, problem, today, tomorrow, tonight. And when the schwa sound appears at the end of a word, sofa, camera, doctor, father, mother. That's all we have for today about the schwa sound a. Do not forget to subscribe this channel and notification. Bye bye.